Understanding pump replacement, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore the phrase, pump replacement. This is a common term in both everyday and technical English, especially when discussing machinery, vehicle, or plumbing. By the end of this video, you'll understand not only what this phrase means, but also how to use it in different contexts. So, let's get started. Pump replacement consists of two words, pump and replacement. First, a pump is a device used to move fluids like water or oil, or gases from one place to another. It is a common piece of equipment in many industries. Replacement, on the other hand, refers to the act of taking something out and putting something new in its place. Therefore, pump replacement involves removing an old or broken pump and installing a new one. Pump replacement is a term you might encounter in various scenarios. 1. In automotive, replacing a fuel or water pump in a car. 2. In construction and plumbing, changing pumps in a water system. 3. In manufacturing, in factories, where pumps are used for different processes. Understanding this phrase can be particularly useful if you are working in or learning about these fields. Let's look at some examples of how pump replacement can be used in sentences. The mechanic said the car needs a pump replacement. Due to the old infrastructure, the building requires frequent pump replacements. Learning about pump replacement is essential for maintenance engineers. These sentences show how the phrase can be adapted to different contexts. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of pump replacement. Remember, understanding such specific phrases is a great step in mastering technical English, especially if you are interested in engineering, mechanics, or related fields. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.